Today I'm unboxing some stationery I picked up for my 2026 planning and writing setups. If you're interested in some stationery goodies, please keep watching. Okay, let's first go over the stuff I've already kind of opened. So the first thing that I opened was I ordered from Aura Estelle on Black Friday, and so one of the freebie items that I got was this A5 Magical Perfect Fit Classic Red, and so it kind of has like the Disney logo here, and then has the Disney logo here, which is a pocket, and then there's a pocket here. There's two pockets up here, one behind the flap. You got your two pen. You have your bookmarks, and then this little thing, I don't know if you can see it, is for a planner charm. And then you have the slit to slide the planner in, and then you have a secretarial pocket, and then you have two pen loops. And so I got this as a freebie for ordering over, I think it was $120. This came as a freebie, and so I just leave them in the case or in this dust bag until I use it. There's one, and then this is for my B6 paper test designs. I ordered two covers. This is the Magical Fit in B6 size in black. So same design, but this one has 3 pin loops, which is kind of neat. But yeah, same design, just smaller and black. So put that back in. And then the last cover I got was B6 Magical Fit in the white. I don't think it's called white, but it is white. And this is probably my favorite because these are like see-through, like almost like lace kind of like, but it has the same number of pockets. It has 3 pin loops on this side, but you can like see through that, and so I'm just so excited to use this one. But I don't know which one I'm going to use for the beginning of the year. And then another freebie that I got from her shop, I stuffed in here. It was part of their Black Friday sale that you got these freebies. So let me get it all out and then I'll show you. Yep, that's everything. Okay, so you got washi. So these are the washies. They're like a purple tone, and so these were randomly chosen, so you didn't get a choice in what color you got. But I am super happy that I was able to get these colors because I absolutely love it. So that's the washi I got. And then I got these page clips, they're corner page clips for your planner. It was in a pack of 4, so I got those. And then I got these. They are flower petal stickers, and they're hard to see, but this peels up here. I don't know if you can see it. It peels up there. They're washi stickers, and they're warm neutral. And then I got these washi strips. They're vellum stickers, and they're like a warm color. And then I got these. There's some check boxes down here, some other boxes. And then I got 2 sheets of dates. I got these like clouds washi. And then I got another set of these. And then this comes with the thank you. And then the last item I got was this keychain. It is a mini, it's a mini planner to put on your purse. And so these have sticky notes in them. But I think it's so cute, and it's white and it matches the one of the planners I ordered. Okay. Another shop that I ordered from was Sparkle Shine Studios, and this came on the packaging. It says, warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I tried to save the sticker, but it did not save very well. But I got some headache stickers, headache migraine stickers. I got several of those. I've got some work stuff stickers, some journaling stickers, and then these are paper clips, binder clips, and push pin stickers. This is the freebie that came with it. I love the duck with working. It's super cute. I love that. And then I picked up some vinyls to put on my planners, and so I got this Caffeine Queen. I have this emotionally attached to fictional characters vinyl. This one says don't touch my planner. This one is in my bookish babe era. This one says well shit. And this says if it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. And then this one is in my cozy girl era. So I got those vinyls to stick on to my planners for 2026, and so this is from Sparkle Shine Studios. The next envelope is from Nessie Plans. I reached out to her to see if she would sell me one of the quarterly things that she had ordered too many of, and she said she would. Oh, she sent me some stickers. Okay, so she sent me some stickers. Very pretty metallic flowers. They're gorgeous. It's hard to see them all. Those are pretty. I'm gonna try to use them this week. And then I ordered this. This is from Aura Estelle. She accidentally ordered 4 of these quarterly things, and so I offered to buy one from her if she was interested, and she was interested in doing that. And so these are B6 quarterly goals tip-in. There's 4 tip-ins, quarter 1 through quarter 4. They're adhesive edges and they fold out. I thought these were super cool. So you have the quarter 1, and then you have all the months that you circle, and then you have your quarter 1 goals, your month 1 action steps, month 2 action steps, month 3, and then on the back it says quarter 1 quarterly goals. And then on this you fold it, then you take the adhesive thing off here and you stick it in on your planner, and then you can flip it. So I was very interested in those. So I got those from her. And then the last package I have here is from Phelps Design. I should have just grabbed my scissors to begin with. I didn't order a lot from here, but I saw these washies. So this is like lavender French text, so I thought that was pretty. And then this is caramel classic grid. Really don't remember ordering that. And then I ordered some flowers. Oh, these are part of a sticker bundle, which I'm assuming is in here. Well, hold on. Okay, so these washies were part of a set together, and I ordered it for this one. That's what I ordered it for this one. Yes, that's what I did here. And then let's see, I'll get this open. So I ordered a small adhesive pocket. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this, but I thought that it might be useful, so I ordered that. And then I don't know if this is a freebie or I ordered it, but I definitely will use it. And then I ordered a pencil board because I do not have a pencil board B6 size, so I ordered this one. It has the ruler over here. It has like tab placements here and on this side. I don't know if you can, it helps you lay tabs. I don't know. I just needed it because I needed a pencil board. And then I ordered some 2026 font scripts. So I think that's, oh, I ordered 2 different sets. I've got this final draft script and this script, I guess. So, and then the reason why I ordered is because I needed a cover, and so this is a B6 cover with the 3 pockets and stuff. So I needed a cover, so that so I got the cover, and then I saw all this other stuff and I wanted it. And then this here is watercolor plus signs. This is a collab between Lauren Phelps and Amy Tangerine, and this is called Tip and Tape, and I was very intrigued by it. Now that I got it open, pretty sure it opens right there. Maybe it opens here. Oh, it opens there. Okay, so the way this works is, I don't know if it's gonna be able to see, but there's a split. So you only peel one side off and you tape that onto the page you want to tip in, and then you put that in, and then you peel the other side off and then put it down. And so I was very intrigued by this tape. I'd never seen tip and tape before that was like made for stuff. So that is what I ordered from Lauren Phelps Designs. That is all I've ordered. Not all, but mostly. As far as stationery supplies, I bought the 2026 planners, and then I have this haul, and then I bought a few other things, but I haven't gone crazy this year on buying all kinds of stickers and like kits and stuff for the next year. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay creative, stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.